Alright, just got this in the mail. Paid 17 bucks for it, free shipping. Whole bunch of screwdrivers. All Jegs. Got a bunch of Torx bits and screwdrivers, all minis, micros. What else we got? We got some bigger square heads. Looks like right here. And we got some more Torx. Looks like a bunch of bigger size ones. Not bad. What else we got? Some screwdrivers. That's nice. Bunch of different thicknesses of sizes. Look at that little keychain thing you get. That thing is shiny. That's cool. A bunch of Phillips, all different sizes. We even got some, you know, things to pull off bearings and, you know, whatever you want to use them for, hooks and whatnot. Also got a smaller one there. Oh yeah, I like that one. You know what I'm saying. Whole bunch of bits. This ain't bad for 17 bucks. Anyways, this is my review of these Jegs screwdrivers that they sell on eBay. I think these kits normally sell for like 50, 60 bucks, but this was definitely a good deal for $17. Anyways, like my video, subscribe, comment, and share. You guys have a good day.